So here's how you can hide all of your likes on your Twitter account. It's actually really easy to do, so continue watching. So as you can see, if we will go to my like section, everyone can see what kind of tweets I have liked. And if you want to hide this, the first method to do is basically turn your account into a private account. So from here, you want to click on your profile. And then now you want to go down to click on settings and support at the very bottom. And then after that, you want to go down and hit on settings and privacy. So now once you're in settings and privacy, you want to scroll down and find privacy and safety. You want to click on that. And then from here, you want to click on audience and tagging at the very top. And right here it says protect your tweets. Make sure that is on, because if it is off, that means your account is public. If you turn it on, that means only your followers can see your liked. However, if you don't want anyone to see your likes at all, then what I recommend you to do is basically head on over to this page, to the main page, click on your profile, and then now what you want to do is click on this 3 dots right over here, and then click on add an existing account or create a new account. And then basically you want to go into another account where you can simply use that just for liking whatever you want without anyone seeing what you have liked. Because the truth is, Twitter does not actually have a real method for you to hide completely everyone. So I hope that helps.